In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the QDIM command in AutoCAD. This is a handy tool, especially for those of you looking to speed up your dimensioning process within your projects. Whether you're working with baseline or continued dimensions, or if you have a series of circles and arcs that need dimensioning, QDIM is designed to help streamline your workflow by creating a series of dimensions quickly from the selected objects. Let's begin by setting the stage. Imagine you're working on a project that requires a consistent, precise dimensioning of several objects. In scenarios like this, the QDIM command can save you a considerable amount of time and effort. The first step in using QDIM is to select the objects for which you want to create dimensions. Carefully choose those objects to ensure accurate results, because the QDIM command will rely on your selection to generate dimensions efficiently. Once you've selected the objects, navigate over to the Annotate tab in AutoCAD. This tab is your go-to place for all things related to annotation, offering a variety of options for adding details to your drawings. Within this tab, locate the Dimensions section. Here you'll find the Quick Dims option, also known as Quick, which is pivotal to executing the QDIM command. Clicking on Quick will initialize the dimensioning process. However, for those who prefer using the command line, AutoCAD offers another way. You can simply type QDIM in the command line and hit Enter. Both methods will bring up the QDIM command, setting the stage for you to determine how these dimensions will appear. After activating the command, it's time to think about the distance of your dimensions from the selected objects. You have a couple of options here. The first is to visually adjust the distance by moving your mouse. This method offers flexibility, allowing you to see in real time how the dimensions will sit in relation to the objects. Alternatively, if precision is what you're after, you have the option to type in a specific numerical value. Entering a precise distance ensures that your dimensions are aligned perfectly according to your project's requirements. This wraps up the essentials of using the QDIM command. It's about understanding how this tool can save you precious time by automatically generating dimensions, thereby reducing the manual input traditionally required. By engaging with this command, you not only enhance efficiency, but also improve the accuracy of your dimensions, which is crucial in any detailed design work. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial empowers you with a new tool in your AutoCAD toolkit. Don't forget to practice using the QDIM command in your projects to become more comfortable with it. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and until next time, keep creating efficiently with AutoCAD.